and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys as always for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a moisturize and retwist video. So if that's something that interests you, please stay tuned. In the meantime, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other videos that I have coming out, and let's get into the routine. So for this routine, you're going to definitely need something to moisturize your hair with. If you haven't already, please retwist your hair on freshly washed and conditioned hair. So freshly washed and conditioned, as you can see, like I said, in need of a retwist, definitely. I think I got my hair retwisted like the first week in January, so yeah, I'm going to be retwisting it myself. The last time I retwisted my hair, I was probably like 4 months locked at the time, so they weren't even like mature locks, they were still budding at the time, and they were definitely smaller, so hopefully it'll be easier to retwist my hair now that it's longer, because I felt like it was harder to put my hair in the clips when I was retwisting it because my hair was so short. So let's go ahead and get into moisturizing. And y'all already know what products I use for moisturizing. But if you don't, I can link the products below. My Locticians line of hair care, and I love it. I will sing the praises of this all day, every day. Taking their nap right now. I had to work out, jump in the shower, wash my hair, you know, wash my body. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can while they are asleep, but I'm pretty sure they'll be waking up soon, so I might have to pause and come back. But that is life. I'm not sure where you guys are located, but where I am, we are still like working remotely, but we've had new people on board since, you know, this whole COVID thing has started. So my team has decided that we're going to do a in-person meeting this week for our weekly, well, our bi-weekly meetings. So I'm actually going to do something with my hair this week. I'm gonna retwist it today, and I'll probably style it tomorrow, Monday. It's a holiday, so I'll have some time to style it. I actually want to do the curls again. I love the curl look. So I'll probably do the curls, but instead of just letting my curls fall, maybe like put them up in a ponytail. So have some curls down, some curls up in a ponytail. I don't know, maybe 2 ponytails. We'll see how it looks. So I love the curls. So I am back. Had to go check on the kids, took a little break. It is a couple of hours later. But yeah, we're here, and I changed my mind about what hairstyle I'm gonna do. I'm no longer doing the curls. I am going to do a retwist and the 2 strand twists. So hopefully I get this done tonight. Well, I will get this done tonight because I don't feel like doing it tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get into the retwist. You will need a comb, something to part your edges, or not your edges, part your parts with if you want super clean parts. I know some people are kind of like freeform, so you just kind of like, you know what I'm saying, do what you do. Some clips to secure your hair once you retwist it. Some water. My hair did dry out a little bit, so you don't want to do your retwist on dry locks. You do want them wet. and some rubber bands for the ends of your hair to secure the twist. And this is my Loctician's locking gel, so I will be using this for my retwist. So I'm just going in at the first row. I'm doing it by rows and putting in some locking gel to start with. And because I cannot see the back of my hair, I'm literally just pulling it apart, and I'm going to use the comb to bring the lock down and retwist like so. And I'm going to wrap the loose hair around the lock. So. And you don't necessarily need to and I'm gonna just go in with the clip and, like I said, secure the lock. If y'all saw my last video, y'all know that I have 101 locks. So it is gonna take a little bit of time, unfortunately, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. I think this is definitely easier than the first time I retwisted my locks, because like I said, my locks were super short at that time. So it was hard to like get them to stay in the clips. So I'm on the last couple of locks, the last 3 locks, and as y'all can see, I'm twisting it so that the majority of my hair is laying to the left, because that's how I want to style it. So going to go ahead and twist these last few locks. So this is how the retwist looks so far. Let me give you a closer look. So I did not use all my clips. Can y'all believe that I used all these clips? I've had the same amount of locks since I've had locks, but I used all these clips the first time I retwisted my hair by myself. So I think I did a pretty good job not using all the clips, and I'm going to let this air dry for now. If it's not dry to my liking before I go to bed, I have, let me see if I have it. So this is my Layla Ali little portable hair dryer that I'll probably sit under for a little bit if my hair is not dry how I want it before going to bed. I was thinking about styling it tonight. I might wait and style it tomorrow. I have a few days until the meeting. I like for my 2-strand twists to stay in for like 5 to 7 days before I take them out, so that like they're super formed and that the curls don't fall too soon. I don't think I have that luxury this week, so I'm just gonna see what happens. Hopefully I can style it tonight, but if not, there's always tomorrow. So yeah, I'll be back. Hello everyone, so I am back. It is actually the next day, so I did go ahead and take all of my clips out. I am starting to put the 2-strand twist in my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the twists. I'm not going to show the whole thing, and then I'll show the reveal at the end. But one thing I wanted to let you guys know is that when you're doing your twist, you want to twist the opposite way of which you did the twist. So if your twists are going clockwise, you want to, when you do your 2-strand twist, do them counterclockwise. I'm going to show you, this is clockwise. So I'm going to, instead of twisting them this way, I'm going to twist them the reverse way. And I think it's something to do with the tension with the twist. It just holds better. It is hot today, you guys. Where I am, the temperature literally just like jumped up out of nowhere. So the girls are asleep, and I am going to take them to the park once my toddler gets up from her nap. So you see how this twist came out. I'm gonna tuck the ends of the 2-strand twist, but yeah, literally you'll just do this around your whole head. So I have an odd number of Loc twists, so one of them is gonna have to have 3. So it's just how the cookie crumbles. So they're twisted counterclockwise. No, they're twisted clockwise. I'm gonna twist them counterclockwise. And that's all I wanted to show you, and I will show you the reveal once it is complete. Hello everyone, I am finally back after a couple days, a couple outfit changes, and this is the final result of the retwist and style. As you can see, I think it came out quite nice. Let me take this off. It's kind of bulky. So yeah, this is the final result. I added some of the Loc the lock twisting gel. I think it came out quite nice. I did add some lock jewelry to it, so a couple seashells here and there. Didn't add too many. I was gonna take this style out for my meeting today, but I decided to leave it in and let the twist kind of set in my hair so that it will stay a little longer when I do take it out. So I'll probably do a little video of the takedown so you guys can see how the twist came out. I did do, like I said, that 3-strand twist because I have an odd number of locks. So yeah, oiled it with this at night and sprayed it with this before I put a satin bonnet on. So I am gonna spray it before I go out just to make sure, you know, it's nice and moisturized. Get up in there. Yeah, and that's it. I love this style. Yeah, and thank you as always for watching. I will see you next time.